Well, it looks like we are live. The meeting has started promptly. The first meeting of the Centurion online chapter for business networking. I give a warm welcome. Okay, there's nobody online yet, but certainly we're going to record this and we will then share it with you as well. Okay, so let's just continue. Um, a warm welcome to everybody who listens to this recording as well. And we're going to go straight into our guest speaker. So the guest speaker is for Coffee News. Okay. So we're busy sharing this. Okay. So we are going to just open another meeting here. Not another meeting, another document. Okay. And according to the agenda, we're going to speak about Coffee News. Okay. So let's just get the Coffee News slideshow going. Okay, now all we have to do is share that. And there we go. Coffee News. Wow. Okay. So Coffee News and Network Mine have got a partnership. And this is our partnership that I'm going to talk about. Coffee News, you can get the most amazing discounts for advertising at Coffee News. Okay, and here's basically a mock-up of how the newspaper looks. Okay, the publication, it's on an A3 sheet of paper, folded in half. And this is a special edition. It's just to give you an idea on how the content looks. Okay, so it's news to enjoy over coffee. So yeah, I got a nice cup of coffee here. And if you advertise in Coffee News, you eliminate your competition because we can only have one category in each class. So if you're a plumber, for example, you would be the only plumber that can advertise, and so on and so forth. Now, advertise locally, target your real customers. Yes, I know radio, television, social media, that covers a broad area, but you may find that all your customers come from the suburb or the area that you're in. Target that area where your customers are in. Local advertising, it really makes a big difference. Boost your business growth using this unique marketing aid. And Coffee News is a niche market. It's very, very unique. And it really targets your potential customers almost to the pinpoint. So get Coffee News advertising. Here's how it looks. Here's a establishment. And there's the on the counter, the Coffee News. You can just take one. It takes 8 to 10 minutes to read while you're waiting for your coffee to come or your food to come. Just read through it quickly. Okay. While your potential customers are waiting for their food, it provides 8 to 10 minutes of upbeat reading, which is more or less all the time you need. This material while you wait for food or for service. Level the playing field. All ads are of equal size, which means that nobody has a better coverage than anybody else. You all have an equally good coverage. Make sure that your advert is read. Well, Coffee News uses no fewer than 17 subliminal techniques that heighten the ad visibility. These are techniques to pull your eye into the advert so that you can read the ads. Here's a picture of an example of a Coffee News publication. You see it's on that beautiful tan paper. Absolutely nice. And there's good psychological reasons for that color of paper. It makes you feel more relaxed and you're able to read it easier. Enjoy over a cup of coffee. You can hold the Coffee News in one hand and your cup of coffee in the other. And you can enjoy your cup of coffee while you read Coffee News. Now, customers read your ad for free. It's a free publication. You can take one, you can read it, put it back, or you can take it with you. It doesn't matter. But nobody has to pay to get your ad, and it's effortless. People will dine at your restaurant if you have a restaurant because you have coffee news. You see, they may come once a week, and coffee news comes out once a week. So they just wait for a week. So they come to get the newest issue of coffee news, the newest publication. And if you keep up coffee news, you'll have a weekly business. Very, very likely people will come every week to read your latest coffee news. There's a picture of how it looks. This is on a stand-up stand instead of being on the counter. Make sure that your ad is read. If your ad was found here in Coffee News, it would have been read 5 to 7 times. So remember, Coffee News is a unique and local publication. It's a niche publication, and it still works after all these years. 6 people will read each copy of Coffee News. In other words, between 5 to 7 readers, and this is based on surveys that have been done. So free, take one Coffee News, it's free. The off-white color of the publication, that beautiful tan color, enhances the readability. The soft tan color increases the effectiveness of your ad, thus allowing the advertiser to appear friendly and trustworthy and professional. And isn't that what you want the readers of your advert to think? To think that this person is a trustworthy person? Well, definitely yes. Your advert will enjoy guaranteed visibility because the way the publication is designed, your advert will be easy to read, easy to pick up. Eliminate your competition. And this is so important. Place your ad here exclusively and you'll lock out your competition. If you're a hairdresser or a nail tech or whatever you are, whatever your business is, your competition is in that area is locked out. There's only one can advertise in Coffee News, only one category. There's again a picture of that. Okay, that's basically an A3. It will be folded in half and put on the stand, ready to be picked up and read. Lift your readers' spirits before they read your ad. You see, they're feeling positive and they've enjoyed reading some trivia in Coffee News, and then they read your ad, and yeah, it's a whole positive experience. Customers will look for your ad each week. So the ads rotate around the page every week for best results. So people get used to your ad and they say, I wonder where his ad is this week. And look down the page, maybe turn to the back. Oh, there it is. Boom. Advertising in Coffee News is affordable and it is effective. So you have high power advertising plus low cost. It's very affordable. And that is equal to affordable results. Do you want affordable results with advertising? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. I'm hoping you're going to say, yes, I do. Okay, here's a mock-up of the Coffee News publication. The number of ads are limited and exclusive. So you would be one of 32 ads in the Coffee News publication. There's only 32 slots, and that's it. The visibility of the advert has been optimized. Its compact stand that holds the Coffee News allows it to become more visible in local establishments. In fact, if you walk into a restaurant, you'll see it right there. Coffee News, you can just take one. Some restaurants actually just, when they bring the menu, they just bring a Coffee News as well. So it depends on the restaurant. And it complements your other advertising campaigns. So you may be advertising on radio, television, social media, magazines, and etc. But this is a complementary advert that works, and it will help your other adverts to perform. For example, somebody might have seen your advert in Coffee News, and then they're going to go and have a look, and they're going to find, they don't need it, but they remember your ad, and 3 months later, they say, what was that ad about that plumber? Oh, goodness, I can't remember. I haven't got a copy of the Coffee News. but let's look it up on Google, for example, and there, yeah, I recognize that, and so you might get it like that. So your other advertising, it all plays in. There's another example of how it looks on the shelf in a restaurant. Visibility in coffee news is the best. Advertisers would need an advert 21 times the size in their local newspaper to equal the visibility of an ad in coffee news. So the visibility in coffee news is absolutely awesome. It is the best. It is the largest weekly restaurant publication in the world. Now, that's good to know. The ad borders pull your eye into your ad. You notice how they sort of go around and there's a little blank space and curves up and all that. So those borders pull your eye into the adverts. Your ad is always visible. So in Coffee News, your ad is either on the front page or it's on the back page, but it can never be lost in the middle because there are no middle pages. It's the front and the back page, and your ad is going to be there. Local news delivered where it is needed. So what's happening? That editorial comment provides local events in your community. So the things that are happening locally, they'll be mentioned there. So it just sort of draws the community together, and the community are going to read your advert, and you want to sell your business to the local community. So Coffee News is affordable and it's effective advertising. It's a low cost and effective means of advertising. So don't spend large sums of money on advertising. Just advertising Coffee News. Save money, it's cost effective, and it's also effective. It's low cost and effective advertising. Coffee News is read at every mealtime. Every time you go to a restaurant for breakfast, lunch, or supper, whatever it is, you grab a copy of Coffee News and you just flip through it and put it back. Yeah, so all the time people are reading your advert. 3 meals a day, 7 days a week, your ad is being read. Eliminate your competition. All ads are exclusive, eliminating your competition. So if you one of 5 water shops in the area, get your advert in Coffee News and you've eliminated your competition. Nobody's going to come to a water shop through Coffee News except your water shop. Coffee News is a great way to start your day. Just start your day, read your copy of Coffee News in the restaurant or take a copy with you when you're at the restaurant and read it over a cup of coffee and your breakfast. Why not? Just to show you how it looks again. It's a niche publication that still works. It's a compact one-page design. It's very attractive to restaurants, coffee shops, and because there's no mess left behind for them to pick up. They put the publication down and you typically take it with you or you put it back in the shelf or they could just put it back in the shelf. But it's very neat. It's very compact. It works. They love it. Coffee News. This is a special edition just to do a mock-up and show you what's happening there. So, any questions or answers? Okay. So that's the end of that presentation then. Okay. No questions and answers noted there. Okay. And so the next thing we're going to get into is the elevator speeches. Okay. So we've got, sure, about 17 minutes to share here. So in other words, we're going to finish the program early because there's nobody in the with me. So I'm just going to give an example of an elevator speech. So an elevator speech, 30 to 60 seconds. So you're just going to introduce yourself and you're just going to give your name and then you're just going to say, for example, yeah, okay, sorry, I'm just grabbing this over here. So it's an elevator speech. You give your name and you basically say what business you do, and then you just explain a little bit about your business and why people should use your business rather than anybody else's business. And basically that's it. So let me give you an elevator speech. Now say, hello, my name is Frans de Vent here, and I'm a publisher for the restaurant publication Coffee News. And there's an example of it. I think you can see it nicely. And yeah, I don't know whether you can see nicely, but it sort of opens up like that. Let's just see, double. And it's got a back part to it as well. And it folds in half and it sits nicely in the stand. Okay. Coffee News. So if you want to eliminate your competition, advertise in Coffee News. If you want your ad to receive more views, advertise in Coffee News. It's very affordable and it's effective. And even with all the modern innovations and things like that, social media, radio, magazines, and etc., it's a niche market and it works after more than 30 years. Coffee News, the Coffee News publication, still works and is still doing well. It's designed to uplift the community around you, and it's been doing that for more than 30 years. And so if you want your ad to receive more views, then advertise in Coffee News. If you want your ad to receive more views, then advertise in Coffee News. Okay, so there's the end of my elevator speech, and there's nobody else online right at this moment. So we are just going to um, leave it at that. No more elevator speeches. And then we're going to give an education segment today. So, well, okay. So basically, um, what we're looking at with something like um, network mining, which is business networking, is we are looking for something that yeah, sorry, just let me get a little bit sorted out here in the background. Okay, yeah, there we are. I think we're back there again. So we are actually looking for a ways to network, and in a nutshell, the way the network works is a set of businessmen. You all come together. We all give a report on the business that we run, and then we're going to go back and we're going to see if we can refer anybody else to that business. So really, you've got to share your business with the other people in the chapter, in the club or the chapter. And then when you get people who come for business, but they say, okay, it's like you're a hairdresser, but you don't happen to know somebody who's a plumber. And so, yes, I know Peter de Beer is a plumber. Let me give you his details, and you refer him. So that's basically how business networking works. But then, in order to really get into the business networking, we got something that we call deep network mining. So I'm just going to speak about deep network mining very briefly. And I've just got a little presentation here on deep mining. Okay, so deep mining with Frans de Vent here, that's me, of course. So what is deep mining? Deep business network mining. We just say deep mining. So this is how you go about doing deep mining. You select a person that you would like to give you a lot of leads, and you might like to give them a lot of leads as well. So you make the decision that you're going to help each other to get more referrals. Okay, so you make the appointment with somebody in the chapter for a deep mining session. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to prepare your documents. So once you're a member, you're going to have access to these documents online. There's the deep mining preparation. Okay, so that is just basically very briefly to go and prepare yourself for the um, mining process. And then you've got the biography, and then we've got something which we call inroads, which is a way of summarizing where you are as far as business processes are concerned. Then you're going to look at another document called the contact sphere and your best customers. So you're going to fill all of those in, except you're going to complete the deep mining preparation after the meeting. So there's your preparation. And then you're going to exchange information and in the form of documents before the meeting. You probably email them or WhatsApp them to each other or put it on a shared drive somewhere and just send a link. Okay, but you're going to share the documents with each other and preferably a few days before the meeting so that the other person can look at your documents and you have a chance to look at their documents. So on the day of the meeting, you're going to bring your documents and notes to the deep mining meeting. You're going to bring that all with you. So you're going to meet with your deep mining partner. Now, the first 20 minutes or so of the meeting are going to be small talk. It's roughly about a 1 hour meeting. So first 20 minutes, small talk, just building rapport, getting to know each other. The second 20 minutes, you're going to be accepting members. The member who accepted the meeting is going to explain the business. And the third 20 minutes, the member who proposed the meeting is going to explain their business. So there's your hour, 20, 20, 20. And then you're going to commit and agree on the goals. So you're going to then understand what they want, what goals they want to reach, and what goals you want to reach. So you're going to agree that you're going to help them to achieve those goals, and you're going to commit on that, and then the meeting is adjourned. So questions and answers and how that works. But in a nutshell, that is how your deep mining session works. Okay, we go to the next item on the agenda. And okay, about joining, okay. So what I can tell you today, we have a big discount because it's the first session ever. And so we're giving you a 70% discount, okay? 70% discount, provided you commit to taking up the offer today or before the next meeting next week. Okay, so that is an extremely generous offer. Okay, compliments and recommendations. Okay, so we haven't done any business yet, so we don't have any compliments and recommendations. Upcoming events. Well, next meeting we're going to have this same day, Tuesday, same link. Everything's going to be exactly the same, and at the time and everything. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, and what we've missed out here, I see it wasn't in the agenda. Oh, it was in the agenda at 12:16. The NM structure, okay? NM is a network mining, a quick overview, global structures, and what network mining is all about. So let me just pull up that document quickly. And then we can go and have a look at that. Okay, got the document up. Now we're just going to share the screen. And you should be able to see it there, Network Mine, Centurion chapter. So I'm very briefly going to explain to you what network mining is all about. Okay, so this is the first meeting, the 10th of March, 2026. Welcome to everyone and thank you for attending. So a network mine structure and opportunity. The network mine is a global business networking organization. It's important to note that Network Mine is a franchise. It's not a charity. And it consists of global, region, and province leadership positions. And these positions are salaried or paid positions. So if you want to earn an income from Network Mine, you need to get up to some of these positions. Okay, the global positions, there's three positions: the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, the Chief Financial Officer, CFO, and the Chief Operations Officer, the COO. Okay, those positions are very difficult to get, but the region is a little bit easier because they have multiple positions. Now, if you look at the regions, they've got 6 positions. The region director or directors, RD, area directors, RAD, quality assurance directors, RQAD, operations directors, ROD, training directors, RTD, growth directors, RGD. Okay. Now you get province leadership roles and structures, but these are optional. It's only if we really need them that we can add them. Otherwise, the region will do everything. So it's basically a classification structure. For example, the province of South Africa, it might have nobody administering that, but it's just a classification. But if we do need some roles to assist the region, there's 5 roles we can define. The provincial directors, PD, provincial quality assurance directors, PQAD, provincial operations directors, POD, provincial training directors, PDT, provincial growth director, PGD. And now we get to the local chapter leadership roles. Okay, so there's 7 roles plus 4 committee member roles. So that's 11 non-salaried leadership roles. Okay, so remember for these 11 roles, you don't get paid anything. It's a privilege to be able to take this role. And the first role is the chapter MC or the Master of Ceremonies. So it's a chapter Master of Ceremonies. And then you get the chapter CEO or the Chief Executive Officer, the chapter Secretary or Treasurer, the ST Secretary or Treasurer. Membership Committee consists of the chapter CEO plus the 4 officers. And then you get the mentor supervisor, the MS, the hosting supervisor, HS, education supervisor, ES, and public relations supervisor, PRS. Now let's just look at the membership committee. The chapter CEO chairs the committee, besides the other functions that he does, and his committee consists of, there's a growth officer, a GO, a conflict officer, CO. Okay, so that's when members start fighting between each other. No, I'm not just joking a little bit. Hopefully we don't fight, but if there is some conflict or arguments, the conflict officer will help to sort that out. There's a performance officer, PO, and a quality assurance officer, the QAO. So after every meeting, the membership committee meets for a few minutes. And what are they doing? Well, they're deciding whether they should allow people to join or not and how they've been performing. So they do that through reports. So they just fill in the reports very quickly. So it only takes a few minutes. Once a month, the chapter MC and chapter CEO run the chapter's progress meeting. Okay, also together with the membership committee. Okay, anybody who refers a member to Network Mind, that's the in-person chapter, the online chapter, or the public speaking chapter, will receive a 10% commission of the total money that the new member paid for membership. So if they agree to finally pay an amount of money equal to X, then you'll get 10% of X, and that 10% is negotiable. If you can motivate that you should be given 20%, for example, then we would consider that. So if you need extra cash, here is your chance to get extra cash. Just refer people to Network Mind, and when they sign up and pay for their membership, you're going to get 10%. Now, if you are a public speaker, then you can set up a skilled speaker training program and receive 50% of the fees if you do the training yourself. Wow. Now, isn't that an opportunity? A skilled speaker is training businesses, that is businessmen, schools, or scholars to speak in public. If you need extra cash, here is your chance. Just to give you an idea, a business you might train like 10 to 20 people at a time. Let's say it's only 10 people, they each pay 5,000 Rand. There's already 50,000 Rand. So you do the training, you get 25,000 Rand. Now, I think that is a awesome opportunity. And we give you all the material and everything you need. So it's certainly possible. The training, okay, so we have different training programs you can go through. And before you can take up a position in region, you're going to have to have done all of it, okay? Training for 11 leadership roles. That is required for region and province positions. And it's not so difficult. You know, each role has got certain things it must do, that role must perform. You just need to know what they are. And how to refer business to members, to other members. There's also a training session on that. And how to receive business referrals from members and how to make the most of those referrals. And mastering deep network mining. Okay, we looked at a little bit of network mining just now. And then if you are a member of the network mine online or the network mine in person, you'll find that the public speaking chapter is free. And of course, terms and conditions apply for that. So the benefits of joining: make your business profitable or more profitable, learn how to refer business and receive business referrals. And obviously, you're doing that to maximize your business, to lift your business up. Deep network mining for exceptional return on investment. 10 to 15-minute speeches to make all members aware of your product or service. I did a presentation this morning on coffee news. So just imagine you doing a presentation on your business, and you could be doing that next week. Regional leadership role preparation. Okay, so you can actually do that training for the preparation, and those are for salaried positions. You can take part in networking and public speaking competitions. And as a result of doing that, you can just watch your business thrive. Now, what is the cost of joining? Well, it starts off at 10,000 Rand per year, and that includes online and public speaking chapters. So for 10,000 Rand, you actually sign up for 3 chapters, which is for nothing really, because it's for 12 months, plus 500 Rand per month to pay for the venue and breakfast. You see, every week, but that's if you're joining the in-person meeting. For the online, you don't need that, because we need to book the venue every week and we need to pay for the breakfast. And yeah, okay. So you can attend a limited number of meetings as a guest before joining Network Mine online or public speaking. So you can attend a few meetings, but you can't attend forever, and then you must join. And of course, if you don't join, there's certain limitations. Like you can't do deep networking mining because you don't have access to the documents and so on. Guests and members must RSVP 1 day before the time. So for the in-person chapter, guests pay 130 Rand to RSVP, and that is for the venue and for the for the food and so on. So you can expect to exceed your return on investments, the ROI, as a member of Network Mine, and that goes for the online chapter and the public speaking chapter. Centurion chapter online will cost 5,000 Rand per year, and that's Zoom meetings. And of course, with the 70% discount, that's only 1,500 Rand if you pay within this week before next week's meeting. And for the in-person chapter, it will be only 3,000 Rand, and that gives you 20,000 Rand worth of value, because it's for the in-person chapter plus the online chapter plus the public speaking chapter. So you're getting it for nothing if you take advantage of this 70% discount that we're offering on the first meeting. And so remember, as always, you can attend a limited number of meetings as a guest before you will have to join Network Mind. Guests and members, both of them, must RSVP one day before the time. So even if you invite somebody to come and see what it's about, they then a guest, but they must still register or RSVP one day before the time, so for catering purposes. You can definitely expect to exceed your return on investment as a member of Network Mind online or in person. Now, the cost of joining public speaking. The Centurion Public Speaking chapter is 5,000 Rand per year. It's Zoom meetings. In-person meetings are planned for the future for the public speaking chapter. So you can also attend a limited number of meetings as a guest before joining Network Mind Public Speaking. Okay, but if you take it up today with 70% discount or you agree to pay before next meeting, next week, you get it for 1,500 Rand. But it's even better than that because you are going to get free membership of Network Mind Business Networking online chapter. So you'll be getting a 10,000 Rand value for 1,500 Rand, and it's definitely worth its weight in gold. Okay. And of course, you can definitely expect to exceed your return on investment as a member of Network Mind online. So you can join all 3 chapters for 10,000 Rand. Centurion Business Networking, 10,000 Rand. Centurion Online Business Networking, 5,000 Rand. Centurion Public Speaking is worth 5,000 Rand. But if you join, you can just pay 10,000 Rand and you get it all 3 chapters thrown in. So you're going to pay 10,000 Rand and get a 20,000 Rand value. It's yours for 10,000 Rand. But I said ask about special additional discount. Today and up until next week's meeting, you get a discount of 70%. 70% discount. Okay. Which means you only pay 3,000 Rand and you get 20,000 Rand's value. Definitely worth it. And as a member of a business networking chapter, you're going to uplift your business. So it's definitely a win-win all around. And now I want to speak about the Coffee News partnership. Okay. 1 year's Coffee News advertising comes roughly to 28,080 Rand, and that's for 52 editions because there's 52 weeks in a year. So you can put your adverts in Coffee News for a whole year and you only pay 28,000 Rand. Less the yearly subscription for Network Mind, for example, if you paid the full 10,000 Rand, then it's 28,000 Rand less 10,000 Rand. So you're going to pay just over 18,000 Rand for your Coffee News subscription. So in other words, you pay altogether 28,000 Rand and 80 Rand, and you're getting your advert in Coffee News for a year. But in addition to that, you're getting business networking in person, a year's membership, plus the online membership for a year's membership, plus the public speaking part of it as well, and also includes a year's membership. So, yeah, it's definitely just about for nothing. Okay. But if you only bought 6 months Coffee News advertising because you didn't want to go for the full 12 months, then you would get that for 14,820 Rand, less 50% of what you have paid for Network Mind, for example. Let's say you paid 10,000 Rand for Network Mind, then it's 14,000 Rand, 820 Rand, minus the 5,000 Rand, which is 50% of what you paid, which equals 9,820. So again, you're getting it for next to nothing. Definitely worthwhile taking up this Coffee News partnership. And now just to update you very quickly how the membership money is used. Firstly, software systems estimated 15 to 30 million rands, plus millions of rands per year to host and maintain the systems. Okay, so you're not going to have to pay any of that directly yourself. Network Mind is sponsoring that whole thing. And also they need to pay the global, region, and province leaders their monthly salaries or monies. There's also ongoing research and development to improve Network Mind and make your return on investment even bigger. So you plus various other operating expenses. So you can see there's a lot of money going into the infrastructure of Network Mind just to keep it up and running. And so what you're paying is basically it's next to nothing for what you're getting. And then, of course, there's a franchise opportunity. So you can ask me about the opportunity. Remember, we said in the beginning, it's not a charity organization or anything like that. It's a franchise. In other words, I do it in order to make money. And so you can buy a franchise, a Network Mind franchise as well. So you can ask me about the opportunity and I will explain it to you. And questions and answers. Okay. I don't think we got questions and answers today. Okay, so let's go on to the next item on the agenda. Chapter leadership, quality control, and success facilitation. Okay. So, so we don't have any chapter leadership today, so we'll just go on. And yeah, so the next item on the agenda is to close the meeting. Okay, so I've got a gavel just to make it official. And we're using um, Robert's rules of order in order to run our meetings. And so without further ado, I hereby close the meeting.